That's why I said I
All
like
right,
to
let me
stick
shoot
with the
this
news.
short video clip.
Think about it.
It's Tuesday
Stick with the
morning,
news, man. What the hell?
September
Somebody will sell
2018,
you this next week.
September 11
Caucasian at Lake Donna.
on that
Somebody will
calendar.
sell you something new next week. Watch if you hear somebody repeat
In
what I
my
just said.
office,
Oh, brother, the
listening
Caucasians is not
to
that.
my brother
You know what?
Sabir
I knew that already. I knew that.
over in Spain. So listening, gaining some knowledge,
Stop getting duped, man.
listening, studying,
Stop getting duped.
and
Y'all being duped like a mug, man.
trading the markets
Who's
here.
behind me?
We got done at about 9:45 a.m.
I'm really, honestly, I don't need
It's
to do that.
currently a little after 11 a.m.
Stay away
So
from
I have an order in.
Period.
Up here, a sell order.
That's all. What's up, brother Percy? What's up,
because
my homie? The dopest photographer
NASDAQ is coming
brother
into a
give some
retail price drop zone. Retail prices. So as you can see here on the chart,
my brother Percy on here,
price dropped from this area, and now it's coming up for the first time back into this retail zone.
Told you I'm gonna talk about
So
nonsense soon.
I have a sell order in, so I can sell to whatever buyers want to buy at retail prices.
Celebrate the New Year's.
We're gonna service them.
Go sit with some Ethiopians. Sit with your Ethiopian family. You sound like a Virgo.
So this may take a minute or so.
Gemini. You say start that church. Let me think of it. Y'all gotta help me with a name. What should be the name?
So as you can see here, the previous wholesale price area.
House of Jesus Christ.
Prices rallied back up to the previous price drop retail area. And you see the market prices went down. And then they found some support here. And prices went back up to this previous retail zone area and dropped back down again. And then it finally took off, rallying up to the next or the previous retail zone.
I'm celebrating New Year's by coming.
So I like to take some money up here and
he said, anybody with me? Whoa, that's what's up.
Trade with the buyers, sell them what they want.
I need all that support I can. Give thanks.
So we'll see how prices react, and if there's any other suppliers up here
more is rich.
selling with me.
It depends.
And we'll see how price reacts.
A lot of millionaires.
See how much supply equals sellers.
That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. But listen, so listen, I have a couple of museums I want to go to visit today. And like I said, I want to step inside this museum. Thank you, sister.
So they say trading is waiting.
Of Isabella and Ferdinand. But I'm going to show y'all something.
They say trading is waiting. They say patience pays. So right now I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for price, for the bidders to bid price up into my retail zone, into that retail area. And here we go. Getting closer. And we'll see if we can make some profits here. Alright, I'm filled. NASDAQ futures trades in quarters. So we got 1 point. I'm down 1 point. As prices continue to rise.
That's only a little bit. So everything is stored in my head. If I listen to me, I'm gonna keep it real. Remember what I told you when I got on here? I'm willing to walk away
now I'm in the
from
green
because everything is already embedded in my head. It's in my head. I can speak verbatim. But the problem with our people is,
So I got my keyboard right here. So
but when people do these
I'll use my
YouTube and
keyboard
Facebook, they
to
never show y'all no proof, or
get
they
out of the
never wanna
trade
share
here in
this
a
with y'all
moment.
because they have to pimp y'all.
So I sold one contract
Think about it. Jazz, what's up, Jazzy?
of the NASDAQ futures to to a retail buyer.
So, if you in DC,
And then in order to realize
and actually get some
any
talk to them, but don't mention
profits, I have to take the money
I told you that. Every book
from the
in my head,
sale
throw out anything to me, and I will quote from
and
law
buy
to history. From law to history to health.
at a lower
That's all you
price.
do. Show something else. I do it all the time.
So we want to sell at the
I
highs,
do it all the time, but no matter if I spit it,
buy at the
you
lows,
still won't appreciate it. You want me to show you it. Yes,
and accept best offers. So I don't know if price is going to come all the way back down here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll take a best offer of a seller who may be wanting to sell down here in this area, and I'll buy back from them.
In front and behind. How many books did Dr. Ben leave the minister? I don't even know. I know nothing about that. But people have to do. I do not know how many books.
You hear family in the background because we homeschool, work and do business from our home. Your home is your financial control center. Your family is your team. It's your base.
I told you, we don't have a culture in the States, people. Our culture is.
All right, as you can see, we're coming into the green here, 2 points.
What kind of cars we can flaunt that ain't even our
With the NASDAQ is $20 per point.
That is the culture of black people. Your DNA is valuable.
For every quarter price move, it's actually $5 profit or loss.
Y'all supposed to know this. But since this is the
So 4 quarters, $5 each, creates 1 point or $20. So right now we have about $30, $40 on this short video right here. And again, I'm studying, listening, you know, with my family. Just got done eating some breakfast. Broke our fast a little later in the morning. Already had some water this morning to actually break our fast, and then we had some food. So we're just coming up on about 5 points here. So I'm gonna put my order in. I sold another one on accident because I'm not paying attention.
Order pending. Order filled.
So I just closed the trade out at a little over 5 points. Again, NASDAQ is $20 per point. This video was about going on 9 minutes now. So that's you know, a little over 5 points, 5 1/4 points in 9 minutes. So this is the futures market. That would be considered a day trade because I transacted the entry and the exit within the same day. So that's what constitutes a day trade. Some trades last a lot longer. Some trades were shorter. But learning how to trade, you already know how. If you understand the basics of business, and if you're a business to sell products, then you would be seeking to source those products at a price and sell at a higher price. If you're an intelligent business owner, then you would be seeking to buy at wholesale prices and then resell at retail prices or best offers above your price. What you buy at or how you transact, what the cost of transacting that business is your cost of doing business. And if you're able to sell and make a profit or transact and trade that product and make a profit, then you create a return on your investment. So that's 7 years worth of failing because I didn't keep it simple in the beginning, but this is really simple. The hardest part for me was that I was competitive, and being competitive growing up in the hood, we're taught by the streets to be right, to be hard, to win, to be better than the next man. So that same mentality will lead you to poverty within a market that you have no control over. So the only thing we can control in this market and trading is when you enter and commit your capital to a trade, and when you exit. You have absolutely no control over the direction. So that's where it takes a little bit of research and study. And what's your research or study? Just looking at a price chart. This is the research right here. This is the research. So I simply identified areas that price was at before and where there was a price drop. And when price came back up to that area, I just sold up there. Okay, made 5 points, and the trade is still on, and price is still on the current trend down. But I'm not in it anymore. I was in and out again in less than 9 minutes. So when we talk about doubling, tripling, quadrupling your dollars, etc., that's how rich people think. They think in multiplication. So in order to increase your family's wealth, you must begin to think in terms of multiplication, doubling, tripling, quadrupling, etc. So peace, family. I hope this helps you. We'll talk to you soon.